work, follow these steps to turn off the computer. Click on the Start button, click on the Power button and select the Shutdown option from the list. Switch off the monitor button, switch off the UPS, switch off the main power supply button. Power button. All these steps I think you know, students, how to shut down your computers. This is your Start button. You can see this option is there. Shut down. Okay, by pressing this shutdown button, you just have to click once on this, then automatically your computer system will going to shut down. And after that, as you've seen in your computer lab, you have to switch off the CPU, then the UPS and then the main power supply of your computer system. This is the proper method to shut down your computer system. Power button. The power button in the Start menu gives us three options: sleep, shut down and restart. Sleep. It allows the computer to stay on in low power mode so that when the computer opens, the user can start working from where he or she has left. Shut down. It closes all programs and turns off the computer. That means your system is completely turned off. Restart. It closes all programs, turns off the computer and then turns it on again. Simple. Suppose if you're not working on your computers, you have come with an urgent work and you have to leave the work in between, what you can go do is you can simply this is your Start button. You can see the arrow. Here you can see the options: restart, sleep and shut down, right? So restart, you just have to, if you click on this option, you whatever you're working on, your computer system will going to switch off and then it will start again automatically. Sleep mode means the computer will go on which mode? The power saving mode. And so that if you're not working on it, whatever it is there, and when your work is finished, you can come and operate again from wherever you have stopped working. Shutdown means completely switching off your computer system. Okay, so these are the three options: normal mode and safe mode. At times when you are working on Windows, you face some problems which restricts Windows from working properly. That means viruses, you know. During this process, a screen appears which instructs the user to continue working and run the Windows in safe mode. This is done to resume the normal functioning of Windows. Let's now understand how the normal mode is different from the safe mode. Normal mode. Normal mode is the default working mode of Windows. That means on whatever window you are working at, that is your normal mode. All the drivers in normal mode are loaded by default in a computer during startup to ensure its proper functioning. There are no restrictions of graphics driver, sound driver, network driver or server driver. Whatever is you're working on, that in your normal mode, it has been selected by default. Okay, so there are no restrictions of graphics or anything like that. Windows appear with all colors and it has a high resolution in the normal mode. High resolution. That means you won't be able to see dizzy pictures or videos. Whatever it is there, when you click on it, you're able to see the clear image of it. There is no display of any label in normal mode. Clear? Safe mode. Safe mode is the diagnostic mode of Windows that allows user to detect, repair and troubleshoot issues in order to make the computer work properly. Okay, how you diagnose? You have to identify whatever problem is there, whichever problem is there in your system. Safe mode does not allow to load some drivers. Okay, whatever, if it is not necessary or not required, it will not going to allow any unwanted drivers to load automatically. It will only allow files and driver which are required for primary functioning of the computer. That is, primary functioning, that is important, without which the computer cannot function properly. Those are the primary functions. Those are allowed in the safe mode, but unwanted drivers are not allowed. Okay, there are limited colors in Windows, and the resolution is also low in the safe mode. Not high resolution, but low resolution. Safe mode is displayed on all the corners of the desktop screen in safe mode. How it is displayed? It is almost shown in every all the corners of the desktop screen in as a safe mode. Okay, so I think this is how we have completed our chapter. There are some things which I was not able to show you on my system, and I hope I would be able to show you in future when you will be coming to school. So till then, students, we are done with all the 4 parts of our computer chapter number 2, that is GUI. Kindly go through them and read them properly, and if you have any system in your home, just practice how to change the desktop screen and the screensaver timings and all. Okay, you'll have a good practice of it. Okay, students, thank you.